Come on. Did I win? Go ahead and get rid of that. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my spring Fabfitfun box, and I'm so excited because it arrives super duper early this month or this season. And so yeah, I can't wait to see what's in here. Actually, I do know what's in here, but you know, you guys don't. So ever since I've been an annual member, I have been getting this box super early, and so that's one of the perks for being an annual Fabfitfun member. You do have to pay, you know, upfront for the whole year, but you get your boxes sooner, you get to customize sooner, and so you get first dibs at pretty much all the products that are being offered for the season. All right, guys, so if you want to know what I got in my Fabfitfun box, then keep on watching. Here's the box. It is super huge this month, and I love this birthday theme box. Super pretty, like wow. I think it is Fabfitfun's like 10-year anniversary, something like that, and so they're celebrating it with like a birthday theme, and I love this, the bright yellow and the cake everywhere. So yes, I love how they designed this box this month. Let's go ahead and open this and see what I got. Okay, so of course Fabfitfun is always packaged nicely. Everything's in here. Go ahead and get rid of that. For customization one, there's a lot of choices. Okay, customization one, guys, I'll put all of the choices in here somewhere so that you can kind of see what we had to work with or what we were choosing from. And I picked the Kate Spade Emmeline sunglasses. So hopefully it's in here. This is like my first time opening everything. Oh my gosh, I hope it didn't get squished because it wasn't in a hard casing. It was just in here. I love this bright green, what is this, drawstring bag, and it has the Kate Spade logo, of course. These are the aviator sunglasses, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, let's put her on. All right. What do you guys think? I think it looks good on me. What do you think? I love it. It's the perfect shape and size for my face shape, actually. This is Kate Spade, of course. Yeah, it feels comfortable. I love that it's not like super gold. It's almost like metallic gold. So yeah, I really love this. Oh my gosh, can't wait to use this for the summertime. It's just perfect now that, you know, spring is coming and all of that. So yeah. Okay. So not bad for first choice. Okay, customization two. I picked 2 items from this customization. So when you have Fabfitfun membership, you get to pick 1 item that is part of the whole $200 a year price. If you want to do add-ons, which means you want to pick more than 1 item from the same customization, you have to pay, I think, an additional $15. And usually the add-on that you're adding is so much more expensive than what you're paying for. It's usually worth the money for paying an extra $15. So I picked 2, and we'll start with, I've been wanting plates, like a solid plate, and this is like packaged so nicely. These are like more of a lunch plate size, and it is a set of 4. These are by Katie Kimmy melamine plates. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I'm excited for these plates. I love the solid kind of grayish black color. It's not like glass, but it's like hard plastic. Melamine plates. Comment down below if you guys know what melamine means, because honestly I don't. But it's like a plate, but it's kind of bowl shaped, you know. So this is perfect for like salads, for lunch, or any kind of rice dish maybe. You know, Filipinos, we're big on rice. So that's a set of 4. And then the second item that I picked are, get rid of that, these French terry lounge sets. So I figured, you know what? I need a set of new pajamas. So here's what it looks like. I picked the small medium one. Honestly, I should probably be a medium to large, but whatevs. I'm still in denial. I think they're pretty big. Definitely, it can fit a small medium. You can adjust the waistband, so that's good. See? And then you have the top right here. It feels well made. It feels super soft. And yeah, if I can put this on for you, I will, and kind of put it on my Instagram. Be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I love the taupe color. Excited for the summer, spring, summer, when it gets warmer. I will be wearing this pajama set. For the third customization, okay. Third customization, I went a little extra. It's an additional $12 for additional add-ons. And the first item that I got that goes with the box payment is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. Whoops! Oh no, not moisturizer. It's moisturizing cleanser. I have had this before. It's a very, very gentle cleanser, and it's actually hydrating. I'm so glad I stocked up on this. And you know, Kate Somerville, pricey, so yeah. Well, March is my birthday month, so it's kind of like the spring season is my birthday month. So I had to get the Sprinkles tumbler, and it has the birthday theme to it. So of course I had to. I'm big on tumblers, and I love like giant tumblers, like more than the 8 ounce or 12 ounce. I love the color, and it just, okay, so this is just kind of a gift to myself, you know? There's no open and close on the spout right there. This is hand wash only, and it's, don't microwave it, of course. And it's a 20 ounce. See, I love it. It's so big. It can fit so much. I knew it was so pretty online, but it's even prettier right now looking at it. So love it. Love this. So I picked 3 from this customization. I got the Cryo Ice Sake Roller. Okay, so I'm a sucker for skincare tools. It's supposed to depuff, sculpt, and detox. So ease any tension and indulge in therapeutic power of ice-cold temperatures with our Sake Cryo Facial. Chill your skin to help soothe problem skin, reduce the appearance of pores, depuff under the eye area, and lift your features. Okay, anything with depuffing and lifting, I'm in. You know what? Ever since I turned 40, I feel like everything is returning to the ground. Like gravity is winning, actually. You know, my skincare sister, Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty, loves using her skincare tool. I'll definitely try this on Instagram, but yeah, she is more consistent when it comes to skincare tools. Okay, why is this so hard? Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I thought it was like bigger. It's like half the size of my hand, a little over half the size, right? You know what? It makes sense. It makes sense. So you're supposed to put this, and then it's gonna change color when it's ready, and then you're gonna like massage it over. Okay, maybe the other side. Yep, I think it's this metal side of it. So you're supposed to like put it around your under eyes. Ooh, it feels cold already. I'm excited for this. I mean, let's cool down this zit right here. It is angry right now. I don't know. I haven't had a zit in a long time. Like not one of these kind of cystic acne ones. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I can't wait to try this Cryo Ice Sake Roller. Do you guys like sake? Comment down below if you do. Customization for, I had 2. I ended up getting this spoon rest, which I actually got last season. I think it was last season or 2 seasons ago. And you know, Fabfitfun usually has throwbacks where they let you select items that maybe you didn't get to pick last season. So this is the spoon rest that I actually bought. It's extra wide, so it really catches your spoon. And I already have one, but you know, when you have a stove, you need one on either end. So this is going to be the pair for it. So yeah, you set it down. It's going to be on either side of my stove. And then when you are cooking and you need to set down your spatula real quick, you can put it on here. I like to work in pairs, and I want to have a more uniform theme to my kitchen. So yes. So this one, I want to say it's not for myself, it's for the family. So that's my justification for picking this one. The other thing I picked for customization for is this one, a Vince Camuto blue ombre necklace. And I think it's perfect. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Hopefully the chain doesn't change. It looks like, you know, you have different levels, so you can have it tighter and higher around the neck. It feels heavy. It feels well made. What do you guys think? Okay, so here it is on my chest right there. I love it. It's such a nice pop of blue. And then let's just keep it on then. So that is by Vince Camuto. I really love this style. You can wear this with a deeper neckline. Anything that's kind of collared shirt that you can kind of unbutton a little lower. I love that. I love that style. So yeah, and then this one, the carrying case is so well made. So that is customization 4. For customization 5, I only picked one. I was only interested in one thing. Here we go. Earth and Harbor Regenerative Neck Cream. I thought it was bigger for some reason. Love the packaging. Very nice. I love this blue. But yeah, I needed a neck cream, and so we will give this a try. So it's purely natural, ethically sourced, and C-active ingredients. I can't wait to start using this. I ran out of neck cream. The only neck cream I've ever tried is by It Cosmetics. I can't really tell if it did anything, but it just makes sense to start taking care of your neck. Your hands and your neck definitely shows your age. I am going to start taking care of that and see if I can stay 20 forever, okay? Next one, customization 6. You know, I miss having 6 to 8 items in my FabFitFun box. Like now it's only up to 6. It can get to 8 items if you order bundles, but sometimes you want like one expensive item instead of a couple of smaller items. And I think this is the first time where I only picked one expensive item, but this is by Honest Beauty, and it's their Length Mascara and Lash Primer. So it has the lengthening mascara plus the lash primer. So it's one of those double-sided ones. I love Honest Beauty packaging. You know what? I'm not gonna open it yet because can you tell that my lashes are purple right now? No? I recently used a lash primer slash purple mascara. One of the mascaras that I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag. And I do get PR from Ipsy. So thank you again, Ipsy, for gifting that to me. And so I just used it for the first time in months. And so I'm going to save this when I'm ready to use it. I don't want to have too many open mascaras, you know? And then I will update you guys on this. That is it for all of the customizations, 1 through 6. I did get the add-ons. Well-loved products are heavily discounted. I needed a fading gel. So I have been using the Dr. Brandt fading gel or dark spot corrector. That one I really love. Whenever I have acne, I use that. I put it on top as a serum overnight, and it really kind of speeds up the process as far as lightening all the acne scars. And so this one, I'm excited because it has the brightening effect plus the salicylic acid to combat acne. And so, yeah, I love Kate Somerville. Of course, it's very nice packaging. Look at that. So pretty. I love the blue. Originally $60, and guess what? I bought this for $23. And you can't get that kind of deal from Kate Somerville. I mean, they're just a bougie brand in general. But again, not every product, just because it's expensive, doesn't mean it's great, right? So we will give this a try. It has niacinamide prebiotic complex, and it's supposed to be maximum strength acne gel. And I need that right now. Perfect timing, FabFitFun. All right, and then I just bought one other item from the add-on sale, which is the Spongel Pink Pamplemousse Spongel Scrub. And you guys know I'm a fan of Spongel. And this one has the floral design. And then you use this to go around in that circle right there, so that you can hang it in your shower. I love the scent, but I don't think it's my favorite. You know why? Because it smells like soap. What is pamplemousse? I don't know. Yes, love this, love the packaging. Sometimes I gift this to someone on their birthday. It just depends. But it's $7, normally $18 on the Spongel website. That's what I love, like being a member with FabFitFun. You get to experience all of these items that are probably super expensive and not fit your budget, but then you get to try them for a fraction of the price. So I love that. And then last but not least, FabFitFun has a program called Refills. Last season, I got the shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof. And this is the fullness kind. Living Proof is one of my most favorite brands when it comes to hair care. I love their Perfect Hair Day line because duh, you get like the perfect hair day for reals. But the volumizing shampoo and conditioner is definitely volumizing. I see the difference when I use this shampoo and conditioner versus other ones. Like you can tell I have a lot more body, and I ran out. I didn't actually use it last night, and so as you can see, my hair looks kind of flat. I miss FabFitFun's magazine. Now they have all of this. Get 20% off on pepper bras. Okay, what are pepper bras? I think I've seen this on Instagram, and I was like, I want to try it, and now I get 20% off. And of course, they have the HelloFresh. That's another thing that I want to try on my channel. I wish HelloFresh would send me just a meal. Come on, HelloFresh. Ooh, oh, this is new. Look at this. FabFitFun Scratch to Win. You can win a pack valued at $10,000. Oh my goodness. Play for a chance to win thousands of winners. Scratch and match. Come on. Oh. Okay, I will let you guys know if I will try to put the total price of the box here somewhere versus what I actually paid for. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.